Hi, I'm Camilla Wishaw from Optum Equine. In yesterday's video, we talked about the crucial roles which iodine plays in both mare and stallion fertility. In today's video, we're going to briefly discuss those horses who are at risk of excessive iodine intake and, contrastingly, those who are at risk of iodine deficiency or insufficiency. So soils in many parts of the world, Australia and New Zealand included, are commonly deficient or low in iodine, and hence pastures and feedstuffs grown in these soils, which our horses consume, are commonly low in iodine. And if our horses are relying on these pastures or hay from these pastures or feedstuff grown in these pastures as their sole or primary source of nutrition in their diet, there's a good chance they'll fall short of iodine requirements. And this can have significant impact on their fertility. On the flip side, iodine excess can occur if we're feeding excessive amounts of fortified feeds and/or we're combining multiple different fortified feeds and/or supplements, as the effects and amounts of iodine in these products can quickly stack up. An innocent mistake I've also seen in clinical practice is the use of seaweed or seaweed-based meals or supplements, which can contain excessive amounts of iodine in some cases, particularly when horses have ad-lib access to them or are fed large amounts, as iodine in seaweed varies remarkably. And finally, something which often gets overlooked in the iodine picture is the effect of nitrogen-based fertiliser application on pastures. So nitrogen-based fertilisers may cause reduced uptake of iodine in pastures which have been grown with them, even when the soils have otherwise good levels of iodine. Now, when it comes to our horse health and fertility, we never want to just focus on one nutrient alone, but it does highlight the importance of considering a whole health picture.